I got a call for a cleaning job that honestly, I almost turned down. The place was a total mess, abandoned for who knows how long. Dust everywhere, cobwebs in every corner, and a smell that was something else. It was one of those jobs where you just want to get in, get it done, and get out as fast as possible. So I started with the living room. As I was clearing out a pile of old newspapers from a rickety bookshelf, I noticed something odd about the back panel. It was loose. Curiosity got the better of me, and I gave it a little tug. It popped right off, revealing a small hidden compartment. Inside there was a dusty wooden box. I pried it open and my jaw just dropped. It was filled with old coins, dozens of them, tarnished but clearly valuable. I later found out they were rare collectibles worth a small fortune. That day changed everything. It wasn't just about the money, it was a wake-up call. How many times do we rush through life, missing the little details, the loose panels in our own day-to-day routines? This discovery taught me that sometimes the greatest treasures are hidden in plain sight, waiting for us to just slow down and pay attention. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.